Hey, good. Are you just making sure we're legal?
I'm just trying to see what you guys are eating tonight.
Eating all of
We're not eating very much. I think we're gonna starve. We're gonna starve
Is
tonight.
your back sore from the waves?
Yeah, oh yeah, my back is killing me.
Hey, who got that big one?
I don't know.
I think that's the one that.
No,
was
that's
supposed to
that, yeah, that's
Yeah.
the one that you brought in.
That was the first one we used when we decided to start eating them.
Some big fish, man.
That one's a real steak, isn't it? Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So you want one for each?
Yeah, yeah, for sure, one to eat. You gonna have fish with us again tonight?
Is there enough?
I don't know, maybe we should have two small ones to eat, eh?
Do you guys have more fish in the cabin or something?
We have just a little bit. We have a few pieces.
Is 2 fish enough?
For the four of us?
I don't know how many.
Well, it was
fish
last
you used
night, I think.
Yesterday was 2
Yeah,
fish.
yeah, two. Yeah,
Oh,
yesterday.
okay.
Yesterday was less than 2 fish.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
But, I
yeah,
mean-
that one there.
But
That's
I mean,
yeah.
they were. Yeah, these two would be.
Yeah, that'll work.
We're gonna have chili. We got.
So Leon, how many times have you cut your hands doing this?
Couple of times.
Yeah, always cut away from yourself. Get a lecture about that at home.
See if you have big ones today.
So Maureen can't watch this video because she'll be too concerned for Leon's safety.
Yeah. She'll phone him and tell him to
Yeah,
be more
Kevin's
safe.
wife knows how to cut fish pretty good too.
You have to wear the metal, the chainmail glove.
Yeah, at the store.
There's trucks from Nebraska and Colorado here, right?
Yeah.
Now, there was a little cheat thing done there. You didn't see that, did you? I'll show you that when we watch the video. He has a good trick.
A cheat.
I'll show you when he does the next one. It's a good technique.
I gotta watch the deboning part.
You just saw it.
Yeah, I know, and I didn't see it fast enough. It's too quick.
Watch that little
There's
slit
more bones
right there.
There's more
Stick your
bones
finger
there.
in there.
Brian was doing those last night, but this is, he's taking out the belly bones. Those are the belly bones, right?
Yeah. He takes out the white bones too.
Oh, I never saw that.
Yeah,
This
Oh,
I think,
okay.
split down the middle.
and right there.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah.
I'm gonna sleep at the switch.
You can make a tutorial.
Yeah, I'll have to give Leon some royalties.
Some what?
Some royalties if I sell this.
Like a DVD.
Yeah.
Leon Bird's Guide to Fish Filleting.
Well, he's gotta talk though. He's gotta say what he's doing. Leon, you gotta say what you're doing.
You gotta narrate. Yeah.
To the cameraman.
See, there's your finger hole. Keeps it from slipping. There's no meat on that one.
That's a thin one.
No wonder we need big pikes.
lunch today?
We had sandwiches.
So,
Sandwiches, hard-boiled egg, Amish bread,
Liverwurst,
liverwurst,
apples,
Dad's
cheese
cookies.
whiz.
you guys eat better on the boat than I do at home?
Yeah, we were eating pretty good.
You don't get cheese whiz at home?
None of it was hot. That
Not,
was
It doesn't
Not
taste
the
as
worst,
good at home.
And no, we got it.
liverwurst.
Do you have to do anything?
No, Kevin's got it.
Hey. There we go.
Yeah, liver.
Liver. Too
A
small.
lot of iron.
We had some yesterday.
No, we ate one.
Of the pike liver?
Yeah.
Gross.
Oh,
I remember trying like beef liver as a kid.
you like chicken liver?
And you know what, there's plenty of meat on the fish. I don't need to resort to eating the offal.
Yeah, but it's